Hello, I'm going to explain you how to remove the old 124 SSD to the new 240 GB SSD on Asus K53S, my computer 53SJ. For this we need to unscrew the screws here to remove the SSD. I did it already, so that one here as well, and it needs to come out now. We unscrewed these two screws, and it is easy, just slide this panel. Here is our old SSD, which is smaller than the new one. Now I'm going to remove this one, but I need to unscrew these ones with a tiny screwdriver. Yeah, once we removed all the 4 screws on this SSD, we remove it. There's a connector here, so we need to carefully take it. And here is the in this package there is a USB enclosure, so I'm going to put my old SSD into this one. I need to remove these screws as well. Okay, I removed all the screws from the frame, and now I'm going to take this one and put it into the Kingston's. I need to be careful because the connectors should fit. This is for cloning. Okay. Now I'm going to close this one. I'm just sliding the cover. And lock it. Okay, this is ready for cloning. And from the box also there are the extension cable to connect it to the computer when I'm going to clone, when I'm going to install the cloned information. Now I'm going to put the new SSD. It's here. this cable here. This is for the laptop, Asus laptop. This is for the mirroring, cloning disk. Okay, now it can wait here. Okay, my new SSD is here. I can use this similar okay, right. This frame also came out from the package, so I guess I need to take these. Okay. Okay, we need to put it here. This gives a little bit more thickness. It just stuck now on this, so that it can easily fit here. And I want to use the old frames. This one I'm going to use. Yes. And I will use the same screws that I took out, the short ones. All 4 of them I'm going to place. The last one. Okay, this connector will fit to here. Now I'm going to connect the connectors. Yeah. Now I will screw again. I will use these screws. Four screws. There. Now I'm going to close this one again. And there are 2 more screws. Last one. Okay, now I can install again the battery. And lock it. Now the computer ready for cloning the old one, mirroring the old SSD to the new SSD. So I'll just turn on the laptop.